Taking a look at our brand new LEVOIT humidifier. This one is a smart humidifier, so it's going to work with the smartphone app. It's also voice activated, which is pretty cool. It's a 6-liter humidifier, and that means it's going to last 50 hours. It's real easy to fill. You just take it to a sink or someplace, and you fill it right through the top here. No bottles or any kind of weird thing you have to do. Just take it, and it's not going to leak or anything, as you can see. Just take it and set it back into the unit. Put the cover back on. The cover has 2 different heads to move the flow into whatever direction you'd like. It's got a simple 2-prong outlet. We'll plug that in. Comes to life to let you know it's working. We'll turn it on, and there's lots of different options with this one. You can do quiet, you can do warm or cool mist. It can increase the humidity in the room by 10%. You can ask for the humidity, and of course it's got a timer. It can run for 50 hours. Hope this helps.